morning. This is Miss Lally, and today is Tuesday, June 4th, and I'm over here looking at my potatoes that look like they need to be pulled up. At least these over here in my garden beside the strawberries, and I'm going to go ahead and pull these up because the plants are kind of looking bad. Leaves are starting to curl, and it's probably time for them to get pulled up. Let's see, got that going on. They're starting to get discolored, so I'm going to go ahead and pull them up. I got some potatoes located in other parts of my garden, but these right here I think are ready to get pulled. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Basket right here. That was the seed potato. It's still in good shape. Oh wow. See, we got rain coming, rain chances coming. I don't want to leave these in the ground or on the ground. I don't know if that was a seed potato or not. Okay, standing over here in the shade. Standing over here in the shade and taking a break because I am digging up potatoes in the sun. It's getting hot out here. So I'm only supposed to get up to, I think, 78 degrees today. We had 2 nice spring days in the 70s. And they nice. But doing something in the sun, you're going to break out in a sweat. So the potato harvest for me is actually turned out pretty good. I planted, I believe it's 16 potatoes and I think they turn I'm getting a good harvest, especially seeing those really big potatoes. So, got to get back to work. Tried to take y'all along with me as I was digging through the row of potatoes, but I think I might have to bring you back at the finish of my harvest, because trying to reposition the camera as I'm digging, it's making me have to dig in the sun a little bit longer than I want to be in it, because it's 7 something in the morning right now and the sun is shining on the garden. It won't go behind that tree until around about 8, I don't know, in between 8 and 8:30. Then the garden will be shaded from that time until sometime after 10 or right before 11 or something like that. But I didn't want to wait that late to get out here and do what I need to do, because I wanted to do it in the cool of the morning. So I'm going to come back after I have finished digging up the potatoes. But I still got potatoes right here that need to be dug up. I got potatoes in this corner of the garden that need to be dug up. So I'm digging up all the potatoes on that farther side of the garden beside my strawberries, because the plants are really looking bad. And I was looking at the date. The row that I just dug up, those were planted February 14th, but these were planted February 14th too, but the leaves don't look as bad, so I'm not gonna mess with them right now. So I'll be back. Alrighty. Okay, back in the shade. And here is my harvest. I had it in my little cute little picnic basket, but the potatoes got to be too much. I had to go and dump them in this bucket. And the bucket is just about, well, yeah, it's half full. Got a lot of nice sized potatoes this size. Plenty of potatoes this size. And the big whopper ones are at the bottom. Didn't mean to scrape them. So I'm gonna put them in a box and let them lay out flat and let them air dry with the dirt on them. I'm not gonna rinse them off until I'm actually ready to use them. So all of the potatoes that I dug up from the seed potatoes were seed potatoes I bought from Walmart, and it was 8 in a pack. And well, I don't, I know it depends on, I guess, your growing season. One season you get a lot, one you get a little bit, I don't know, and maybe your soil and everything. But I think this is really good for me and my husband. But we like potatoes, so I don't know, 16 seed potatoes may not be enough. So, but it's interesting to see. I wanted to keep tabs on how many potatoes I planted, and how much, see what the harvest would look like. So who knows, maybe I need to purchase 3 bags. But this is not bad, not bad. It's always a delight to pull up the plant and see what you're gonna get. It's not bad. So, and I probably could have did a better job of keeping them covered. I didn't do a good job. So some of them, got the green parts on them. I just cut that off. This is seed potato. I may hold on to it and see if I can plant it again. See what happens. And these are Yukon Gold potatoes, planted February 14th of this year. Not bad. So just wanted to bring you along on my potato harvest. It's hot out here now. I mean, it's cool. I think it's probably 60s. But yeah, it's got to be in the 60s. But if you're in the sun and you're moving and working, it is quite warm outside. All right, so in place of the potatoes, I am going to replace them with more beans. So this is what the area looks like now. So I already have some beans planted right there, so I'm going to plant some more beans in that area right there. And I guess leave this as a walkway. I can get to the corn. Got fennel right here, got eggplants right here. So leave that as some sort of a walkway, I suppose. And I need to figure out what I'm going to do with these strawberries. the beans right beside some other beans that's growing over here, and hopefully they'll do well for me. Hopefully a lot of the beans will come up. I don't expect all of them to come up, so I'm gonna spread this mulch back out over this area. Might end up planting something over here, who knows, but I definitely wanted to plant me some more beans. All right, so just wanted to bring you all along on my potato harvest 2019. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.